Imagine this. It's Sunday morning. You just saw another article talking about how millennials are not going to get to the place that they want to be in life. So you decide to have the most millennial breakfast ever. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this video. I accidentally discovered this and I've been eating it nonstop for the past week and a half. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to get your bagel. Here I use everything bagel because I'm a millennial. You're going to want to butter that bagel on both sides and put face down on a baking sheet. Then you're going to want to get your bacon. I'm using turkey bacon here, and you're going to want to also put that in a baking sheet because you want that to start cooking before you start making your egg. The next thing that you're going to want to do is get your avocado. I like to get my avocado a little bit soft, and maybe in a future video or another video I'll talk about how I pick my avocados, but you want to cut it in the good old millennial way with the knife and then get the spoon and scoop it out. Just so you want to make that ready. And as you can see, I also have my cheese slices on the side because I'm going to put that on the bottom of my bagel. The next step is to prepare your egg. I like my egg runny. I like a runny yolk, but everybody's different. You can definitely use a fried egg in this recipe. So I just spray my pan with a little bit of non-stick cooking oil, and then I season it with salt, pepper, and paprika, and that's it for the egg. It should take no longer than 2 minutes to cook the egg, depending on how well done you want it. Then I'm going to take out my bagel and my bacon. As you can see, the bacon didn't do the little curling thing, and I think it's because it's turkey bacon, but that's okay. It doesn't matter to me. Then you're going to take out your bagel, and you're going to want to pour the egg over the bagel so slowly. I like to do it slowly so that it doesn't slip, but you don't have to do it that slow. Then you're going to want to put your avocado on the other side of the bagel and spread it out and sprinkle it with salt, pepper, and paprika. Here I have my bacon on the side that I'm going to end up putting on top of my avocado. And honestly, at this point alone, I could have just finished and eaten this because it's everything that I want in a sandwich. It's egg, it's cheese, it's avocado, it's bacon, it's an everything bagel. It literally looks so delicious. I can't even get over it. And it's going to be so funny because I'm about to ruin it. So to put this together, because that's how I like to eat it, I just put the sandwich on top of the one side on top of the other, and I try to cut it. Let's pause though for a beautiful burst yolk effect. Maybe we'll run that back and play it on slow-mo. Unfortunately, it does not look very good once you cut it, but I can confirm that it is absolutely delicious. And that's how I make my breakfast sandwiches on days when I'm really hungry and I'm looking for a lot to eat. I like to really channel my inner millennial, the inner feeling that I won't be able to buy a house because I eat so much avocado toast, and I like to make this in my kitchen, and it is honestly one of the best breakfasts that I make. And since I want 6 months supply of eggs, I will be making this a lot. Well, you know what time it is? It's time to, I'm not even gonna lie, I have been eating this already. Everything bagel, avocado toast, fried egg. This is like all the millennial breakfast food in one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. And like and comment and subscribe, like what you want to see more, from me. We're going into the holiday season, so let me know if you like this filming style. I think the shots look really nice when I put it all together. So I just want to say thank you for watching so far, and I hope you guys come back for more and keep watching my videos and keep supporting me. I'd like to hit 100 subscribers by the end of the year, so that would be super cool if you guys shared the video, told your friends, whatever. Like, we are on the road to 100. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.